I'm Elizabeth Cauty, author of Creative Schizophrenia on HealthyPlace. The holidays can be a hard time of year for anyone, whether or not you have a mental illness. On the one hand, you could be spending the holidays alone, which is very, very tough. And on the other hand, you could have a lot of social obligations and parties to go to, which can also be tough. My case falls closer to the latter. I have a lot of family obligations over the holidays. I love my family. I really, really do. But when we're all together in one place, it can get to be very chaotic and very frenetic. Sometimes I even need to take a break by going into an empty room for a few minutes. But this year, I've decided to try to think about it a different way. I've decided to count my blessings and to think about how lucky I am to have so many people in one place with me who love me and who I love. I'm hoping that thinking this way this year about the holidays will not make it so overstimulating and will make it easier for me to connect with my family and to enjoy the holidays. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.